So we have hey! A bird in the house here. And I'm not really sure how to handle it. So maybe a broom. So in my mind, he'll fly over there and out the back door. So just because I put a broom... Oh. Okay, so we're going the right direction. The door's out that way. Alright, dude. This is in the guy handbook of how to... Okay, I think it went out. No! Go, no! Okay, look. He's right down the door. He's on top of the door. And that wasn't me that screamed. That was the TV. Dude, go out. Go out. He went. Alright. Yeah, I'm a manly man. I can handle basic any kind of situation that occurs. I'm kind of like Superman.
Larry,
Yeah.
I'm going to leave this like this.
That's fine. Well, what are the odds that'll happen again? Don't worry here, folks. No need to call the fire department. I got everything under control.